What's the meaning of churchgoing? Churchgoing. Churchgoing.
Churchgoing. Churchgoing. The term churchgoing refers to the regular practice of attending religious services at a church or other place of worship. This activity is typically associated with followers of the Christian faith, but it can also apply to adherents of other religions. People who engage in churchgoing often do so as a way to connect with their spiritual beliefs, strengthen their faith, and build a sense of community with others who share their beliefs. In some cases, churchgoing may also involve participation in various religious rituals or ceremonies.